Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and I wanted to make a sort of supplement video to today's 3D metal model news because right after finishing up the video and uploading it, I got an email and a message. An email from my contact at Fascinations and a message from CodeWookie about a rather long list of models that are being retired, and I wanted to share. For starters, basically this list included a link that I will share in the description down below. It's metalearth.com/retiring if you want to check it out yourself. But it is a list of models that are soon to be retired, as well as the models that have already been retired are mixed in with that list. In essence, we have all of the Legends models are being retired. All of the DC and Marvel models are being retired. All of the Bugs Bunny and Transformers Legends models are being retired, and all of the Lord of the Rings models. The Flintstone model appears to be safe. I think it's kind of considered a Legends model, but kind of not. But it is not in that list. I'm looking through the list on my phone right here to make it easy. The My Little Pony models are all being retired as well. Then we have some random ones like the Hong Kong Star Ferry, which I not too long ago put together. Japanese Rickshaw, haven't even done that one yet. Looks like the Pan-In Clipper box version is being retired, and I think the other one has been already retired, the non-box version. They also have the Halo models in here, which they've been retired for a while. All the butterflies except, I believe, the Monarch are on the list. So I don't know if the Monarch has just not been included, or if they're just going to just go down to just having the Monarch and that's it. But all of the butterflies otherwise are being retired. The golf cart set, the Javits Convention Center, the Commuter Ferry, Tower of Americas, the Birdhouse, the Auckland Sky Tower are all being retired. The Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, I may be saying those wrong, I apologize. Those are both being retired. The Beach Buggy is also being retired. And I think that pretty much covers it, because the remainder of the list is all stuff that's already been retired, like Halo and Mass Effect. So there are a lot of lists being added to the retired list. The Legends models, that's just kind of sad. A lot of people did not like them. I know that. They're very, very different, very unique. The golf cart models don't seem to be that old, but a lot of these models are just older models. The Birdhouse, the Ferries, I think are original. The Javits Convention Center is one that I don't have. I kind of would like to get that one. The butterfly models I'm a little surprised at. The Hong Kong Star Ferry I'm really surprised at. That doesn't seem that old. But yeah, I wanted to add that, to make a supplement video to add that, because there are a lot of models getting ready to retire, and that's just kind of sad, because a lot of them I have, but a lot of them I don't, and whether or not I get them, I do not know. Anyway, I'll leave it at that again, unless something else comes in. See you next week, and as always, thank you for watching. Keep on, keep it on.